To people living with rare diseases, finding a solution would mean everything. Vertex Pharmaceuticals' unique strategy prioritises innovation, with hopes to provide next-generation medicines to benefit those living with rare and serious diseases, which have often been overlooked.
Vertex Pharmaceuticals has a proven track record of innovation. The company invests the majority of its time, money and efforts into research and development, with active research programs in serious diseases such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell disease and transfusion-dependent beta thalassemia, among others.
Rare diseases are individually rare but collectively common. They affect around 3.5 million people in the UK. And Vertex prides itself in its uncompromising commitment to patients.
So Vertex is a global biotechnology company, and we invest heavily in scientific innovation with the aim of creating truly transformative medicines for people with serious diseases. And we have a unique approach. We focus on trying to bring forward medicines that address the underlying cause of the disease, not just the symptoms of the disease. And we also have an approach which we call serial innovation. That means we don't just bring forward one potential medicine for a disease, but instead we stay in research for many, many years, sometimes decades, to try and get the very best possible solution for patients.
That's welcome news to Louise Fish from Genetic Alliance UK, a charity which represents more than 200 organisations supporting people with genetic, rare and undiagnosed conditions.
We'd like to see pharmaceutical companies continuing being imaginative and creative and evidence-based and really thinking through when they're developing a new treatment, who it can help, how it can help, focusing on the things that matter most to people living with rare conditions and their families to try and find solutions that help people live their lives to the full. And when new treatment's been discovered, equally think creatively about where else it might be able to be used. If it can be used for one condition, can it be used for other similar conditions, or could an existing treatment be repurposed in a clever, new, creative way that means it's going to be of use to someone living with a rare condition as well as someone with a common condition?
So what is sickle cell?
Sickle cell is a genetic blood disorder.
John James is the CEO of the UK Sickle Cell Society. It's another serious and lifelong condition.
For sickle, because it has been bereft, absolutely bereft of new treatments, innovation is welcome to us. And so new disease-modifying treatments and gene therapy are the way forward, in my view. The potential is huge. We, as a patient advocacy organisation, have looked at gene therapy developments in other rare conditions where one has seen that it's made a huge difference.
And Vertex involves the voices of people living with serious diseases, their families and patient organisations throughout the drug discovery and development process.
I imagine Rare Disease Day gives you an opportunity to pause and think about what's possible for the future.
So at Vertex, we think about patients every single day. It inspires us, it guides our work. But Rare Disease Day is a very, very special day because it really brings the patient experience right to the forefront. I think we have an exciting clinical stage pipeline looking to transform numerous serious diseases. But beyond that, I'm also really excited about our ongoing research in our labs at Vertex, both to kind of out-innovate ourselves in the existing clinical stage diseases, but importantly also bring forward potentially transformative medicines for other serious diseases.
Vertex Pharmaceuticals is driven by a desire to make a difference, to do whatever it takes to innovate and find solutions to advance human health, and to ensure that no one who is living with the diseases it works on is left behind.